Hey guys, welcome to the Python series. Topic of this video is gonna be on integer method. So let us go through the definition of integer method. The integer method returns an integer object from any number or string passed as an argument or returns 0 if no arguments are given. Here is the syntax for the integer method. It's given as int x equals 0 base equal to 10. An integer object can be any number or string, treats the default base as 10. So if there is no argument which is present, then the output would be returned as 0. So let us start with some of the examples for the integer method. Let us say a variable a, and I'll assign the variable a with value 54. Here 54 is an integer. So let me check by using this statement type, say a, and here you can see the output as int. So let me give you another example, say b as 10 by 4, and when I check b, it will give me 2.5, which is a floating type. So by checking type, I can get to know that it is a floating type. So in order to convert this into integer type, I can use a method like I say b equal to 10 / 4. This method is known as integer division. By providing another slash along with the given slash, it would convert the following output into integer type. So here it is converted to integer type. Or you can also convert it into integer type by providing the data type int. Let us say int and say 10 by 4. By doing this converts the following floating value into just the integer type. It would just print the integer part of the given output 2.5 and it gives you the value 2. Suppose one case I want to find the type of the num by using this statement type of the num is, and let's say I want to check the type of a which I have already assigned above, say, and I've assigned it as 54. So here it's showing the type of the num is integer, and yeah, the value 54 which I've assigned is an integer format. So if I assign another variable num saying that 1 2 3 4 5, as you know, you have learned in the previous video, anything which is specified within the inverted comma is considered to be a string. So if I deliver this in the above statement, type of the num is, and check the type, it will show the type of the num is in class string. So if I want to convert this whole statement and print the given number in integer format, I should be specifying the data type int. By specifying this data type, now by specifying this int data type, the given following string would be converted into integer type. So by checking out with the above statement, and say type num. Here, as you can see, the type of the given num is in class integer type. So here, by specifying the type data type int, it is converted into integer type. So let us go through one of the exercise. Let me give you another example by saying that x equal to int and say input and say \n, and I would be giving the first integer to be as 10, and let us say another variable y with int say and say \n, and now if I say 20, and now if I take another variable z, which is addition of the following variables, and say print z, it would give me the output 30, which is addition of following variable x and y. So as in the variables x and y are specified in the data type int, so the output also would be printed in the integer format. I hope you guys understood the following concept. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in the next video.